Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to be checking out the NearStream microphone right here, which I'm going to show you guys inside this video. Now this microphone right here is a wireless Lavalier microphone which you can use on your camera, on your mobile phone, and also on your computer. Now the audio that you're hearing right now in this video is being recorded with this microphone right here. Now the thing that I like about these microphones in comparison to something like a shotgun microphone is that these microphones can go a further range. Let's say if you're out vlogging and you need to step away from your camera, this microphone will still pick up audio even if you're like 30 meters away. Some is up to 100 feet. So this is the thing that I like about these. Taking a look at the carrying case right here, we have the 2 transmitter receiver right here. This is the 2 transmitter, and it can be charged inside this case as well. We have a slot right here where we can accommodate this USB-C to USB-C. I was trying to fit the USB lightning cable to USB-C inside it, but it didn't work. And also I was trying to fit a few cables as well inside, but it didn't work. So only thing that can hold inside it is these right here. Now we also have a carrying pouch, which we don't have to worry because all the other different accessories can hold into this right here. So if you're like going out and so forth, you can put all your cables into this section. Now taking a closer look at the receiver right here, we can see some bit amount of display for each of these 2 mics. Also we can show the signal, but one thing though, this is not touchscreen, so if you like touch it, nothing will happen. But we also have a volume control knob right here where you can use to turn up the gains. Also to the side right here we have a power button, and behind the back here we have a charging port, which is a USB type C. So this can charge without the case, so if you need to plug this without the case, you can charge it from here. Also to this side we have a out and an audio jack as well. Now on the receiver right here we can see we have a signal which shows when it's in noise cancellation mode or it's recording normal mode. We have a USB type C right here for charging as well. Also we have a magnetic on the back right here, which you can clip this onto your clothes this way if you want to clip it this way. And also this right here can clip onto your clothes like this as well. Now to the side right here we have a voice cancellation and a power button. Up here we have a mute button as well. So when you click on mute, it actually shows that red light. Take off mute, shows that green light. Voice cancellation shows that blue light, and this is how it actually works. Now this right here is a 3.5mm port, which you can hook up this on your device as well. Now this can use without the receiver with the 3.5mm port right here. Now to attach the windshield on, we can also take advantage of this 3.5mm port right here. So we can actually put this inside, clip it on like this, and then we can use it outdoor in a windy situation like this right here. Now comparing to the DJI Mic 1, it basically similar in size as you can see right here. So it actually the same way, same making of this right here, and it basically around the same price point, probably a bit less with this right here. This is more cheaper than the DJI Mic 1, and I can say that while listening at the footage of this mic, the quality is not bad comparing to the DJI Mic 1. Alright, so right now I'm doing a noise cancelling test on this microphone right here connected to my camera. Now my fan is on, and let's see how this can handle the fan noise inside my studio like this. Now there is no post-processing of this audio. This is audio that you get straight from out the mic right here. Alright guys, so I'm outside right now and I'm testing out this microphone right here on my camera. I want to test the range of this microphone right here. Hopefully it can pick me up about roughly 70 meters out. Yeah, so let's test it out. Alright guys, so I'm out here. Hopefully you guys can hear me on the microphone. I'm about 70 meters out right now, and yeah, this is the audio that you're getting. My front is facing towards the camera, so it will pick it up. Now on the manual it says that it's 50 meter with human like barrier, so if I turn my back probably it may not pick it up. So turn to the front, and this is the range that you get on this right here. Alright guys, so I'm out here right now and I'm testing out the microphone right here on my mobile phone. Yeah, I'm using the front facing camera, and this is my setup right here with it attached to my phone. Now with this setup though, I don't have to use any mobile rig because I can just plug it in easily and simple and use it straight like this without have to use any form of any accessories with this right here. Now right now the voice cancellation is off and this is sound quality that you get. I'm going to turn on the voice cancellation and let you guys hear how it actually sounds. So the noise cancellation is on right now and this is the quality that we get outside like this, you know, in a nice environment. As you probably can hear previously from my background, there's a bike in my background right there, and now it will actually remove all of those background noise. So this is my test on my mobile phone right here, and this is the quality that you get inside the car like this as well. Now I'm driving, a bit amount of noise is making outside the car, you know, I'm on a rough terrain, and this is the quality you get. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is just my testing of this NearStream microphone right here. If you guys interested in picking up one of these, I put a link in the description of this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.